Ladies and gentlemen, meet Horizon Flare, my partner in sound, my riff machine, and soul of my jam sessions. But every time I sit down to jam, the same thing happens. The pick disappears. Let's give this pick permanent home and let's finish this struggle once and for all. Today, we are building him a custom Linkin Park theme pick holder and topping it off with some legendary Beatles picks for that extra iconic touch. So let's rock and roll. First you will need a ring box like this one. Start by removing the unnecessary things and clean it from inside. Next, sand the surface with sandpaper before applying any paint. I am using 400 grit sandpaper with fine grains. This step is important because often paint chips or peels off from the smooth surfaces. Sanding creates a slightly rough texture, helping the paint stick better. Alright, time to make this pick holder look legendary. I am using my acrylic colors for this. First, let's paint the background white. I am going with lavender color for the gritty rebellious vibe. White in the center for a distressed look. Here I am painting it orange and yellow to match the fiery tone of my guitar Horizon Flare. Next, let's add the iconic Linkin Park logo. If you are feeling artsy, draw it freehand like me, or you can print and trace. You can even handwrite lyrics like crawling or in the end along the edges for extra impact. Let me know in comments if you recognize this Linkin Park album logo. This side I am painting Linkin Park logo. Over here, I have added the band's name and logo this side. Now let's style inside part. Here you can use this type of sponge, but I will be using this foam as this foam is more colorful and steady. Press the foam gently onto the box like this to get the shape. And mark the outline with pen or pencil. Now carefully cut along the line using X-Acto knife or cutter. Place it inside the box to check if it fits properly. Next, I'll mark the foam and cut grooves to hold the pick securely. Apply some glue to the base of the box and carefully press the foam sheet inside. Highlight the grooves with dark pen. This way they are easy to see. Now gently press the picks into the grooves to make sure it fits nicely. You can even stack multiple picks on top of each other for extra storage. Perfect for keeping all your favorite picks in one place. For a clean finish, you can seal it with clear coat spray or varnish. It will protect your art from scratches. And there you have it, a super handy personalized guitar pick holder from an old ring box. If you enjoyed this crafty chaos, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more creative projects, more hacks, and probably more bad jokes. Thanks for watching. Now go rock on and never lose a pick again. Bye.